So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. How much money can you make on Amazon Flex? How much can you really earn? You read that?
So whether you want to save up for the holiday season or boost your income to repay
I want to save up for the holiday season.
Yeah.
I gotta start early though, because I don't got much. Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, if you're in that, then you might want to look for easy side gigs, Dylan.
Yeah.
This article is saying one of the most flexible, a flexible option is to become a delivery driver for Amazon. This is great during the holiday seasons because everyone's going to be like ordering gifts and stuff. So
should I do Amazon? Should we do Amazon Flex vlog next?
Yeah.
I think I should. I should sign up to be an Amazon Flex driver.
Yeah.
Can you follow me around? Is that like legal to vlog it? Or do I have to do it myself?
I don't know. I still need to sign up for DoorDash.
Yeah.
I'll do
so
that.
How much can you make with Amazon Flex? Well, let's keep reading.
Okay, we already know what Amazon Flex is.
Yeah, let's get to the pay. Let's get to the juicy stuff.
Yeah, we already know all this other stuff.
Basically, you deliver Amazon packages. Now when you order on Amazon, it's not 2-day delivery anymore. It's same day because people are literally going to the warehouses and dropping it off.
Wow.
Yep. So if you order like I don't know, like toothpaste or something like super common, like people will drive and pick that up and give it to you like in a few hours.
Oh.
Do you order on Amazon or not really?
Sometimes.
Yeah, I ordered like something recently and it came like the same day.
Oh.
So how much can you really make? Here we go.
So according to Amazon, that's important to take note of. Obviously, its own company might not reflect like actual drivers.
It should though.
Yeah.
Like
this is $18 to $25 per hour.
Adam Lee says Uber pays better. Sorry, I'm looking at the chat, guys. Uber pays better than most jobs. I highly disagree with that, my friend, because
I do agree with that,
because of all the expenses. When you work at like another normal job, you don't have to like drive down the value of your biggest asset. Like, yeah, you have to commute, but like you just drive there and drive back at the end of the day. It's not like you're driving like... Maybe actually I would agree with you if Uber provided your own car and paid for gas. Then I'd be like, sure.
Yeah. And like you can make $18 an hour working at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, easy. Or In-N-Out. In-N-Out pays like $17 an hour starting pay. At least here in California.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to keep reading?
Yeah, so your exact rate is determined by various factors like location, tips, hours, and efficiency. Since this is an hourly gig, your potential earnings will depend on how many hours you work. Customers can also choose to tip you directly if you do a good job. So yeah, I mean, if you get really good tips,
yeah,
you could make a decent amount of money. But not everyone tips these days.
Most people don't.
Yeah, this is saying that delivery jobs in general don't pay as well as like a typical 9 to 5. But this is why it's a good side hustle. It's if you have like they're saying if you have extra time, like let's say you have a 9 to 5 job,
Yeah.
but you also want some extra money, you can just do a quick little like 4-hour shift from like 5 to 9.
Yeah, because this is not a career. Like, this is the opposite of a career. This is just for side cash.
Yeah, see, you don't want to be doing this for 12 hours a day every day.
Exactly.
As your main job.
You want to be working on something else on the side, trying to build on that, or trying to grow that career. Honestly, not even on the side, but like as your main thing, and then do this on the side.
Yeah.
You don't want to do this as your main thing, and then all of a sudden, fast forward 10 years, and you're like, well, I have no experience. I've been at Amazon Flex Drive for 10 years. So,
and that's, for whatever reason, this is your dream job.
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe it is.
This is a good job for college students.
Yeah. If you had to work at any fast food place, where would you work?
I hate fast food. Sweetgreen's fast.
Okay, fair enough. You work at Sweetgreen's?
Yeah.
All right, cool, bet. If you had to work at any like high-end restaurant, where would you work?
High end?
Yeah, like any restaurant.
Nobu.
Oh, Nobu.
In Malibu.
Malibu, Nobu.
Where would you work?
Probably Catch LA.
So you can see all the influencers.
Yeah, not Saddle Ranch though.
Yeah, we don't like Saddle Ranch.
I know you do though.
No. I'm not that big of a fan.